Fit and Fine. Today we are going to start our first chapter of class 9, that is number system exercise 1.6. So class 9 exercise 1.6, that is number system. Today we will discuss laws of exponents for real numbers. Laws of exponent for real numbers. Suppose let a greater than 0. The value of a is positive and a real number, and m and n be integers. Okay, then we can write a to the power m and a to the power n. Base, this is called base, a base, and this is called power. So base are same, then we will write base, then we will add the powers, that is m plus n. Is it clear? Base are same. Suppose 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 7, we can write 5. Both base are same, then we can write 3 plus 7, that is equal to 5 to the power 10. Okay. Now here base, this power, whole power. Okay. A to the power m whole to the power n. Then we will write a to the power, then these two powers will be multiplied. Then we will write a to the power m mn. Suppose 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 7, then we can write 5 to the power 3 into 7, that is equal to 5 to the power 3 7s are 21. Okay. Next, this is multiplication, this is division. Both base are same, a. If multiplication is add, then the base will be subtract. Division will be subtract. Suppose a to the power, here we will write division, a to the power m, multiplication plus, then here minus n. As like this, suppose 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 5. Then we can write 2 to the power 6 minus 5, or 2 to the power 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. One thing we can find from here, that is suppose 2 to the power 5, here also 2 to the power 5. Then we will get 2 to the power 5 minus 5, that is equal to 2 to the power 0. But we know both are same. Numerator denominator same. We can find here it is equal to 1. So value of this one also 1. So we can write 2 to the power, therefore 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Or any power of any integers, real integers, we can write power of 0 is 1. So we can write, suppose here we can write here, suppose another one, that is a to the power 0 is equal to 1, or 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Here we can write a to the power n, and suppose b to the power n. Both base are not same, but power are same. Is it clear? Base are not same. Then we can write a b whole to the power a. We can write base are not same. All in here, first one, second one, third one, base are same. But in this case, base are not same. Base are difference and power are same. Then we can write a b whole to the power a. How we can write? Suppose 3 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 2. We can write 3 into 4 to the power 2, that is equal to 12 to the power 2. Okay. Now next one, that is, if you know this one is what? This one is what? Square root of a. This one is cube root of a. So this one is nth root of a. Okay, nth root of a. Nth root of a is equal to, we can write a to the power 1. Here we can write a to the power 1 by 2. This one a to the power 1 by 3. And this one is equal to a to the power 1 by n. Okay. So if this one is equal to b, or we can write a is equal to 1 by 1 to the power 1 upon n is equal to b. 1 upon n is equal to b. Or, and here if we add all some laws here, we can write, suppose m by n, a to the power m by n, we can write a to the power m whole to the power a to the power n whole to the power m, or we can write a to the power m whole to the power 1 by n, whole to the power 1 by n. So this is the laws of exponents for real numbers. Suppose we can write just like this here, 2 to the power 5 by 3 whole to 2 to the power 5 by 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 5, or 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. So this is the laws of, this is exponent of real numbers. Okay. Now we will discuss the example, or example of this one, or we will solve exercise 1.6. Okay. Okay, this is exercise, class 9 exercise 1.6, question number 1. Find 64 to the power 1 by 2. That is equal to, first of all we find out square of this one. That is 64 means 8 square whole to the power 1 by 2. So we know a to the power m whole to the power 1 by n, that is equal to a to the power m by n. Okay, you write here since. So here 8 to the power 2 by 2, that is equal to 8 to the power 2 by 2 means cancel, you will get 1, that is it, 8. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you solve 625 to the power 1 by 4, 4,913 to the power 1 by 3, 32 to the power 1 by 5. You solve this one. Question number 2, find this one, 16 to the power 3 by 4. 16. We can write 16 means 16 is equal to, you can write 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 to the power 4. So we can write here 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 3 to the power 3 by 4. And here we can write here, since what is the property, that is laws of exponents of real number, what? A to the power m into whole to the power n, you will write a to the power m into n. Similarly, we can write here 2 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. Here 4 cancel, we will get 2 to the power 3. That is 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. Okay, that is equal to 8. Answer. Okay. Now you solve which one? That is, you solve A, 32 to the power 2 by 5, B, 8 into 1 by 27 whole to the power minus 2 by 3, 16 to the power minus 1 by 4 into 4 root of 16, 64 upon 25 whole to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay, now you solve this one. You understood? Now you will solve this homework. That is NCERT exercise 1.6. You solve all question in NCERT exercise 1.6. Then you solve extra. This is extra. If you want, then you can solve. Find 13 to the power 1 by 5. 17 to the power into 17 to the power 1 by 5. Simplify 4 to the power 4 upon 3 into cube root of x to the power 4, and simplify 17 cube whole to the power minus 1. Simplify 13 to the power 1 by 4 divided by 13 to the power 1 by 2. Find the value 15 to the power 1 by 4 divided by 3 to the power half, 12 to the power 1 by 5 divided by 16 to the power 1 by 5. Find 3 root of 2 to the power 2 or 2 square, and here 2 into 5 root of, here 4 root of 3 to 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 4. Then question number 7, simplify 5 into 16 to the power 1 by 4 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 1 by 4. Find 9 to the power 3 by 2 minus 3 into 2 to the power 0 minus 1 by 81 to the power whole to the power 1 by 2. Prove that root over 3 into 5 to the power minus 3 divided by cube root 3 to the power minus 1 into 5 into 6 root 3 into 5 to the power 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Question number 10, that is 27 to the power minus 2 into 64 to the power minus 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 1 by 6. Question number 11, cube root 4 into 1 by 9 root 8 into 12 root 16 to the power 1 by 1. Question number 12, 18 to the power minus 3 by 4 into 16 to the power half divided by 6 to the power 2 into 1 by 27 whole to the power minus 3 by 2 whole to the power 1 by 3. Question number 13. Now we find out if x to the power 4 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power x, then what is the value of x? Value of x is 0 or 1. Which one? Okay. Thank you. I think and I hope you understood your today's class and you solve your homework. Thank you.